Hi, welcome to the project number 14 of our course on systems, sending the Raspberry Pi Pico internal temperature to an Arduino. In this project, we will be using a Raspberry Pi Pico and an Arduino microcontroller jointly. The Pico will read the temperature from its internal sensor and send it to the Arduino over a serial link every 10 seconds. The Arduino will then display the received temperature on its monitor. You can see that we are using an Arduino Nano, and we're going to connect the UARTX to the UARTX of the Arduino. We are going to move to the Thani and to the Arduino IDE to see what are the code that we are going to use. For the Raspberry Pi Pico is extremely simple. We are going to import the ADC and the UR classes from the machine model. We are also going to import the UTIME model. We are going to initialize the ADC of the channel number 4, that is where the internal temperature sensor is connected to the Raspberry. And we have this compression factor that will help us to compute the value of the voltage corresponding to the ADC value. Then we're going to create a new instance of the class WART. We're going to use the WART number 0, and we are going to use a baud rate of 9,600 bauds. Then within the infinite loop, we are going to read the ADC register. Then we're going to convert this to volts by multiplying it to the conversion factor. And by using this formula in here, we're going to compute the temperature. We're going to have this value converted into string, and we are going to send the first 5 characters, meaning that we are going to have 2 digits before and after the point. Then we're going to send degrees C, and we're going to send \n, meaning that we are going to finish, that we have just finished the send of bytes. And finally, we're going to wait for 1 second. Why? Because it's going to be easier for us to see if everything refreshes in 1 second. Then we're going to include a new software serial library in the Arduino code, and we're going to initialize the serial terminal in the 3 and 4 digital pins of the Arduino. We're going to set up the serial terminal baud rate at 150,200 bauds, and we are going to match these baud rates of the serial communication between the UART. Finally, in the void loop, we are going to wait for the bytes that are being sent by the Raspberry Pi Pico. We are going to read what the byte says, and we are going to concatenate it to a string. When we reach the last character being this \n, meaning that we want to print it in the next line, we are going to print the temperature, and we are going to restart the string temp in order to get the new value. And okay, so let's upload the code. First, I'm going to upload the Arduino code. And you can see it's already up. And then we're going to upload the Raspberry Pi Pico, but before I'm going to open the serial monitor. I'm going to run the script on the Raspberry Pi Pico, and you can see how it is getting the degrees values of the internal temperature sensor every second. And that will be it for this video. Thank you for watching.